Hello everybody. Well, I'm standing just outside the motel where we're staying, and I came out here just to take a little walk, and I didn't have to walk more than 5 feet off of from the hotel before I found something interesting. Listen to the sounds of the birds. They're still up there on a telephone pole that are making an amazing sound. Listen, I'll try to zoom in. Not a telephone pole, antenna wires. Antenna. Just wait and listen. Listen to all the other sounds all around me. Sorry, it's a little unsteady, this kind of zoom. But listen to all the other sounds. Especially at night, the sounds become so audible with the stillness of the night. I'm holding on these birds because they have a very, very interesting sound. And they've been making it intermittently. I'm on max zoom right now. Isn't that fascinating? Not like something out of a movie? Jungle adventure? Now there's trees, there's eucalyptus trees, gum trees as they're called around here. There's another curious bird right over here. Cars and people are going by like music there. Lots of strange sounds coming out of this tree as well. It's a nice old style house. Old house. These are eucalyptus trees. Are those cockatiels? Cockatoos? I think those are cockatoos. I really know that I'm in a different world when I can hear the sounds like this. Altogether, the community looks not unlike something I would... Oh, here they come, here they come. It's not unlike something I would recall from my own country, in the United States, maybe in the middle America. A small town like this with little houses like this. Although there's a quality and a character to the homes that's quite distinct. A lot of brick homes, for example. Brick seems to be a popular usage here. But another illustration of how unique interest and things can be found anywhere you go. I mean, I'm in Australia. I don't even have to venture into the outback or to the Great Barrier Reef. I just have to walk out the door of my hotel and find, I could just sit here on the lawn chair and listen to these sounds all day. It's like being in a bird exhibit. Take care, everybody. Have a great day. I'm going to listen to the birds a little more.